Action.
Howdy, Andrew here and Vaughan here from AWM Engineering. This is just a bit of a precursor to the Zoom video which we'll have shortly, just to go over the details of what we can provide regarding robotic welding and also robotic material handling as well. So these here are two of the 14 Arcmate 120Bs which we have for sale at the moment. Now on this one here at the moment we've got the Lincoln system, which is what we recommend for the sake of quality and also for the sake of duty cycle. Now these are sold separately to the robots, but this is still going to be a point of conversation for our meeting. So you can see the quality and state of these here. Vaughan will just run through the basic articulations of these afterwards at slow speed. These have a total speed of motion of about, you can get about 2 meters per second, and they have a reach of almost 2 meters the whole way around, and as we will show how far they can go below the plinth, how far above, so on and so forth.
1.65 each way, Andrew.
1.65, there you have it. We also have a number of the handling robots over here, which is the FANUC 2000 IBs, are they, Vaughan?
Yeah, 210Fs.
Yep. Okay, so I'll just get Vaughan to go over some of the motion of these robots here, and then I'll even show you a little bit of Brian, as we call him over there, just so we've got something to talk about mainly on our Zoom meeting, which I propose for maybe Thursday, Friday this week. I'll send you an email shortly. So each of the units come with this pen, which gives you full control, that Vaughan's currently working on there. But they have full 5 or 6 axis dexterity. Do we have a full speed of movement? Okay, so this is not at full speed, but these will move, as Vaughan says, at 2 meters per second. They're currently moving at about 300 mil per second. Sorry, what, Vaughan?
250 millimeters.
Okay, it's currently moving at 250, so, you know, 1/9, 1/8 speed at the moment. You can see they've got quite a good reach and movement from their plinth.
This is Brian. Brian's a 2000 IB or a 210F. Obviously, the next Holden robot, they've got very low hours, capable of 2 meters per second. Now he's performing a dance. Nice two-payer set of sunglasses, gives him a bit of personality. These things are capable of doing pretty much anything that's repetitive, so if you can think it, we can make these things do it. Currently, you can see obviously the end of the tool is just going around some cones. This is a bit of a demonstration really, but really video doesn't do them justice. You got to see these things in the flesh. They're pretty cool.
Now the beauty of these things is they perfectly integrate with like welding robots. They can have integrating programs so they know where each other are. So for pick and place applications, it really does add to the overall capability of the automation task.
You can pack pellets, you can pack boxes, you can pick up parts, you can hold parts, you can spin parts, you can clamp parts, you can weld parts. Anything you think of. I mean, obviously it's carrying cones at the moment. It's fairly lethargic, but it'll carry 210 kilos of weight on the end of that arm, you know, full stretch. They're a fairly serious bit of beast, you know. Yeah, they're a good unit.
And once again, this one's only running at about 1/6 of its pace.
30% at the moment, pretty much what you're seeing. It's ending up to 2 meters per second.
All right, so how many of these do we have on offer as well?
Quite a number of stock. Ending up to, what have we got at the moment? 16 of them.
And now a couple of these are already assigned to existing projects which we're on. There's another client actually that's going to be, actually another 2 clients which are doing automated robotic welding cells.
Yeah, we're going to this here at the moment is already I have stock of these. see there, the same thing.
Okay, I'll just give you a quick walkthrough of these, and the rest will go over in the Zoom meeting. So we've got some more little Arcmates there. But these are the 2000 series. We have several of them on here. We've got some earlier ones, some slightly later ones. They have varying hours on them, I believe, but they are all service commissioned, blah blah blah, straight out of Holden. So these are literally good to go. There's just a spot welding unit that's still stuck in the front of that one, but that's independent of the robot, of course. All the robots are sold as just a complete robotic unit with no attachments. Very good. We shall speak in due course. Thanks for your time.